Hello trader, welcome to the crypto trade one. So this account actually the trader wants to hold. So we have traded buy side BTC USD at a volume of 200 quantity. So we see the now what are the current scenario. Yes, we see the currently the account balance has started with 18 BTC and we entered on a lower side 47,655 and today the price is 52,000, almost 6,000 point gain. And with this 6,000 point the current profit is 19.5 BTC, 900 or you can say 10 times gains of the capital. So the 18 BTC and the margin was used only 2 BTC. So we have the very safe margin and we knew that from 47,000 it was not going to fall, but this trader we have updated that we are going to hold a longer time, so keep the patience. And currently the trader has updated that he wanted to close the trade, so we are closing the trades. So what happened, the opportunity arises, we need to wait and we need to hold some time to get the proper profit. So we take the chart in a one day and we see the movement. Yes, we entered as per this is the I can see, so we will convert it into the normal format. Yes, candle here. So this is the 1 minute chart, and from this chart we entered from these positions. And yes, currently now we want to book the profit as the trader want to take the profit. So the account net worth is 38,000 here. It is visible. So from 18 to 38, almost it has doubled the capital, 2x time return. But we invested only 2 BTC, and currently the free margin is available. We want to book profit now completely. It's enough profit for the traders, and we will charge around 50% profit. So the trader will transfer the 9 BTC on our account from this profit. And so sometimes we tell the trader to wait. We are trading on the accounts, but we are waiting for the very good opportunity. Once there are possibilities or the profits are very high, so why we enter in this position, as this is the perfect entry, safe entry. It is not going to fall, and we did not enter once it is falling here, but we waited and we entered in a precise zone once the profit margin is very high, as we did not enter on 44,000. We entered once it is started to recover. See, this is the recovery point. So we entered around 47,000 in this point, and from this point now we will book the profit, as we don't want to book the profit at 60,000, maybe it go high. But now currently this is the good point to book the profit, as we don't want to take more risk, and the trader is already satisfied, as the profit was rise to around 25 BTC. But we waited, as once the market is in the trend movement, we should not book the profit. That is the psychology for the trader. But once the market are stabilizing or there are no any chance for either go up or down, we should exit the trades. So we will exit the trades now, and we'll see the live tradings. And yes, this is the biggest profit have been booked by the crypto trade one. And yes, we will clean the screen. And yes, we will close all the trades now. And we can even keep the 2 BTC on a hold side, but it's okay for now. Yes, all the BTC profit will be booked. Yes, now today's trades already booked with order number. Open orders are no more open orders. And yes, the account net worth is now 38 BTC. So you are seeing that before the account balance was 18 BTC, and from 18 BTC it is rise towards the 38 BTC. Client has given us the account with only 5.0 BTC, and from this 5.0 BTC it took around 38 BTC to achieve this target around 5 months. It won't happen in a single days. So if you are giving us the account, you should wait, you should give us some more time to achieve this type of the profit. If you are hurry and if you want to book the profit uh, instantly it won't be possible. You should give us some time, and when the opportunity arises, we will take the opportunity and we will hold for the very big profit. So it's a very enjoyable to see the trades. And yes, 19 BTC, it's a huge profit. It's almost 1 million USD profit booked in a live. So hope it's very live to see this type of gain and this type of profit, and you are happy to see this type of trades. And yes, we currently has a huge inquiries and huge flows, so we are stopping currently to take the new traders for the API key. So you can join our premium services, but API key currently we have stopped for that one because of we took it is in a beta phase, so to copy the many accounts it won't possible currently. But if you have a MetaTrader account, you can give us and we can connect it as much any possible amount. But for the exchange API key, currently we have stopped. So if any query or doubt, you can ask us and drop your query to the our in a Telegram channel or in a WhatsApp or in a Twitter. We are happy to assist you for choosing the broker, choosing the exchange, how to capital, how to manage your capital. Wish you happy trading.